Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to freeze a video frame in Premiere Pro. Now this is going to be a very simple and straightforward video. So let's get right into it. So as you can see, I have right here a video and I can go through a video and select a frame that I want to freeze. So let's just go here and let's just play this video. So let's play it. Okay, let's say I want to freeze a frame right here. Right here, I want to freeze a frame. What I can do is I can right select and I can insert frame hold segment. Now what this will do is this will freeze that part of the video. And then as you can see, it will play right back. Now what you can do is you can also do it like this. You can stretch it out to make it longer, or you can lower it like this to make it shorter. So if we play the video, this is how it's going to look like right here. So as you can see, and you can do this on each, for example, if I want to do it here, I can right click and insert frame hold segment as well. And I can again lower it, make it like this, and then this is how it would look. So that's pretty much how you can do it, how to freeze a video frame in Premiere Pro. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.